You don't need a long list of ingredients to make heavenly biscuits. Greetings, food lovers. I am Hannah from Blogging Good Food, and I am here to share a delightful fact with you. The secret amazing biscuits lies in just three key components. Excited to transform your baking routine? Hit subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the secrets to effortless and delicious cooking. Let's dive in together. Before we start, let's talk about what makes biscuits perfect. It's all about achieving that golden, flaky goodness. We are talking about biscuits that are light, airy, and melt in your mouth. Stick around and I will show you how to master the art of biscuit perfection. Now for the star players in our biscuit show: flour, baking powder, and butter. That's right, just three simple ingredients for biscuit perfection. To begin with, the flour. For this recipe, we recommend using all-purpose flour. Its protein content gives us our biscuits that ideal texture. Trust me, it makes all the difference. Now let's talk precision. Accurate flour measurement is key. Too much or too little can throw off the balance. Use a measuring cup, spoon the flour in, and level it off. Consistency is key for consistent biscuits. Next up, the magic behind the rice: baking powder. This little ingredient is what gives us biscuits that lovely fluffiness. Just a teaspoon can make all the difference. And now the secret to incredible flavor and texture: butter. It adds richness and that mouth-watering taste we all crave in our biscuit. Don't be shy with it. Butter makes everything better. With our flour, baking powder, and butter ready, it's time to mix the ingredients. Combine them thoroughly to ensure an even distribution. Shaping and cutting are crucial steps. Use a biscuit cutter or a round glass to create those perfect rounds. Now comes the exciting part: baking. Preheat your oven to 425 to 450 degree Fahrenheit. Pop these beauties in and set the timer. Keep a close eye on them. When they are beautifully golden, it's time to take them out. Last but certainly not least, buttering. This step adds a rich, flavorful finish. Brush some melted butter on your warm biscuits. There you go. Your easy 3-ingredient biscuits are done. If you liked making these, give us a thumbs up and share your biscuit adventures. Visit bloggingoodfood.com for a treasure trove of recipes.